Okay, so we started discussing seasons, and I pointed out that the main reason for having different 4 seasons on Earth is the fact that the Earth's rotational axis is tipped at an angle of 23.5 degrees relative to the vertical on the Earth's orbital plane. Moreover, as the Earth revolves around the Sun, it keeps, its rotational axis keeps the same tilt. What I mean by that is the following. Say around March 21st, which passed, right? At that particular time, neither the North Pole nor the South Pole are tipped more towards the Sun, okay? Around September 21st, I will have the same situation as in March, namely, neither one of the 2 poles is going to be tipped more to the Sun, okay? And then after September 22nd, the North Pole starts tipping away more from the Sun than the South Pole, right? And that's the reason for having seasons, because, say, in June, the Northern Hemisphere, with North Pole being tipped more towards the Sun than the South Pole, the Northern Hemisphere receives more direct solar heating. If you look at 2 beams of sunlight of equal diameter, then the one that is aimed at the Northern Hemisphere will illuminate this surface, okay? But the same beam, the same size of the beam, will actually be spread over the bigger surface in the Southern Hemisphere. It's similar to this situation here if you have a flashlight, right? So you can point the flashlight that is at a greater angle towards the surface of the table, and then all of that light energy emitted by the flashlight is distributed over this area. But now, if you slant it more, the same amount of energy is going to be distributed over bigger area. And as a result, in this situation here, the unit area receives less energy than here. Okay? And that is the main reason for variations in temperature between different seasons, in particular between the summer and the winter.